Breaking news: AGC, the Governance Advocacy Council, AGC, have told Nigerians to shun proposed reports from Tinubu's camp to replace Babajide Sanwo-Olu. He can't try it. Tinubu dares not. He cannot replace Babajide Sanwo-Olu with anybody, let alone him replacing it with Moyeri Okunlade. We have heard that despite all that is going on, there is plot to replace Babajide Sanwo-Olu. If Sanwo-Olu has done well, he should not be afraid. Tinubu's days of oppressing Lagos is over. 2023 disquiet in Lagos continues. Breaking news: disquiet in Lagos APC over proposed selection of More Okunlola as Sanwo-Olu's replacement, as Tinubu has decided he will not get a second tenure. Hello, my wonderful people. With all that Sanwo-Olu is doing to try to beat or to gain the favor of former Lagos State Governor Tinubu, who is vying for the position of presidency, the matter has come that he will not be getting a second tenure. Sanwo-Olu was on Channels Television a few days ago, and he said he will make sure he ends his first tenure on a high note in case he does not get a second opportunity for a second tenure. We've been telling you that there've been smoke, rumor that Tinubu has already made it clear to Sanwo-Olu that he's not getting a second tenure. And so Sanwo-Olu is trying to do his hardest best possible to gain that favor so he can possibly get a second tenure. But it doesn't seem very much, as Tinubu has already concluded plan. And the young man you can see is a potential candidate to take over from the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu. So this is what is happening. Whether you like it or not, it's no longer business as usual. When we say Godfatherism, welcome. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Disquiet in Lagos APC over proposed selection of Mori Okunlola as Sanwo-Olu's replacement. Barely 1 year to the 2023 general election, speculations are growing over the selection of Hakeem Mori Okunlola as the next Lagos State governor. Barely 1 year to the 2023 general election, speculations are already growing with strong indication that Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, former governor of Lagos State, has selected a successor for Babajide Sanwo-Olu, who is in the person of Hassan More Okunlola as the next governor of Lagos State. Political forces reportedly picked the head of service HOS to emerge as All Progressive Congress APC candidates against Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, just like it was done to the predecessor before himself. If this happened, it will be history repeating itself, as former Governor Akinwumi Ambode suffered the same fate ahead of 2019 election. Though governors in Lagos and Nigeria mostly enjoy second tenure and get the second ticket, Ambode was denied a second ticket after party stewards insist on his exit. To date, many believe his fallout with the powerful APC leader Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu cost him another 4 years in office. The intervention of the president and others stopped Ambode's impeachment. Lagos Speaker eventually named those who made the House of Assembly a soft pedal. But APC elders in the state have described the proposed move against Sanwo-Olu as baseless and inaccurate. The Governance Advocacy Council GAC, the most powerful and highest decision making organ, issued a report at the weekend. The secretary, Morta Ara, accused enemies of the party plotting to destabilize APC and cause distraction among members, debunking the replacement claim that Tinubu has already picked a replacement for Babajide Sanwo-Olu. So welcome to Nigeria, when one man, to a large extent, decide the fate of millions of people. Not because the man has the finest of brains or whatever, but guess what? In this part of the world, you know, one man can wake up one morning and tell you, I am the everything, and to a large extent, you just sit back and you watch and you are wondering, how is this happening? Because you look at the whole scenario, you look at it all, and you see fine brains, qualified young men and women, intelligent people who have stood out in their arm of affair, in politics, in economy, in finances, here and there have done well. But guess what? A single person comes and tell them, you can't do this, you can't do that. If I say no, then that's it. It's sad, but guess what? Reality of our time is happening. This was what the present governor of Edo State, the fights he had with his predecessor, Adams Oshomole, saying enough of Godfatherism. That was the fight. That was the big fight that happened in Edo State. In fact, they formed a song to it, No Father Reason. Yo, 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 yo. If you remember that song, yeah. Go now your best. I mean, they formed the song to it. It was that clear. To the extent that when he eventually won, so that's what happened. When one man decides the fate of what happens, it doesn't matter if there are qualified, those in education, those in, in infrastructure, those who have done well, who knows, administration, how to, people manage and all. It doesn't matter. One single individual will wake up one morning and will tell you, this is what you must do. And the people say no, then because, I mean, he has commanded a lot of loyalty. I mean, he has helped people, he has done this and that. And so a replacement is being found now to replace the governor of Lagos State. When we say these things, some people will say, how did you know? Listen, guys, it does not just happen. Again, we repeat it again and again to all who cares to listen. There is absolutely, completely no indigenous smoke without a fire leaking from somewhere. If you see smoke, it's because something it's going on. And so you just follow suit. Yes, you just follow suit. These are some of the things happening. These are some of the things happening here and now. So, the time to wake up, the time to rise up, the time to say enough of oppression. We take our destiny in our hand. We determine what happened. A single individual will not tell us what must be. It's now. Leave us a comment. We will love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Do have a fine and a lovely day. Bye for now.